Silent invasion. Animals that destroy ecosystems. Our planet faces a growing threat. Invasive species. These intruders, transported by human actions, are colonizing new territories and causing havoc in ecosystems. From the depths of the ocean to the tropical jungles, the invasion is underway. Animals that were once confined to specific regions are now spreading at an alarming rate, disrupting the natural balance. We will explore the stories of 5 particularly destructive invaders, revealing their devastating impact and the challenges they present for the conservation of our planet. Get ready to witness the silent invasion. The pig plague, the unstoppable wild boar. In the United States, a pest is causing havoc in the countryside, the wild boar. These animals, once domesticated, have now become a significant threat to agriculture and the environment. Descended from domestic pigs, they have become a destructive force, leaving a trail of devastation. Their ability to adapt to different environments allows them to thrive almost anywhere, from dense forests to open fields. With a population in the millions, these omnivores consume everything in their path, from crops to small animals. Their varied diet includes roots, tubers, insects, and small mammals, allowing them to survive in harsh conditions. Their insatiable appetite has earned them the title of living vacuum cleaners, capable of wiping out entire fields in a single night. Farmers often wake up to find their crops completely destroyed, representing a significant economic loss. In addition, they carry diseases like African swine fever, a threat to the global pig industry. The spread of these diseases can have devastating consequences not only for domestic pigs, but also for wildlife. Desperate farmers use traps, fences, and organized hunts, but the wild boar continues to thrive. Despite these efforts, the wild boar population continues to grow, making controlling their numbers a constant challenge. They are estimated to cause $1.5 billion in damage each year in the United States alone. This economic impact is felt not only in agriculture, but also in infrastructure and natural resources. Habitat destruction and competition with native species are just some of the consequences of their spread. Wild boars disrupt ecosystems, displacing native species and altering the natural balance. The fight against the wild boar is a reminder that our actions have unintended consequences. The introduction of non-native species and the lack of natural predators have created a problem that now seems almost impossible to solve. Lion of the Caribbean, the lionfish threat. In the warm Caribbean waters, an unexpected enemy threatens: the lionfish. Originally from the Indo-Pacific, it arrived in the Caribbean through the aquarium trade. With no natural predators, the lionfish has multiplied alarmingly, wiping out native fish populations. Armed with venomous spines, it's a powerful hunter with a huge appetite. A single lionfish can reduce the fish population on a reef by 90% in 5 weeks. The loss of plant-eating fish affects the reef's ecosystem, as corals get choked by growing algae. The lionfish invasion has hurt the Caribbean fishing industry, affecting coastal communities. Control and eradication programs have been put in place, but the lionfish is still a big problem. Its ability to reproduce quickly and adapt to different habitats makes it hard to control. The Burmese python invades the Everglades. In the Florida Everglades, the Burmese python is wiping out native animal populations. Originally from Southeast Asia, they arrived through the pet trade and found a perfect habitat. With no natural predators, they have multiplied, reaching sizes of up to 20 feet long. They are stealthy hunters and kill their prey by squeezing them. Their diet includes mammals, birds, reptiles, and even alligators. They have eliminated up to 90% of medium-sized mammals in some areas. To control their population, capture and euthanasia programs have been put in place. Professional hunters and volunteers track and capture these invasive snakes. However, their high reproduction rate and adaptability make them difficult to eradicate. The bullfrog invasion. In the fresh waters of North America, the American bullfrog is causing havoc in aquatic ecosystems. This species, known for its size and appetite, has significantly altered the natural balance of these habitats. Originally from the eastern United States, it has been introduced worldwide through the pet trade and aquaculture. Its popularity as a pet and its use in aquaculture have made its global spread easier. Its adaptability and rapid reproduction rate have made it a successful invasive species. They can thrive in a variety of environments, from ponds to large lakes, and their reproduction rate is alarmingly high. They are opportunistic predators and consume a wide variety of prey, including insects, fish, native frogs, snakes, and small mammals. Their varied diet allows them to easily adapt to new environments and compete with native species. Their presence changes the dynamics of aquatic ecosystems, affecting other species. The bullfrog not only competes for resources, but also directly preys on many native species, reducing their populations. In addition, they can transmit diseases to other amphibians, such as the chytrid fungus. This fungus has been devastating for many amphibian populations worldwide, and the bullfrog acts as a carrier. Control measures have been implemented, but complete eradication is difficult and expensive. Efforts include manual capture, the use of barriers, and the application of biocides, but these methods are labor-intensive and often ineffective on a large scale. The bullfrog invasion is an example of how a single species can have devastating consequences. Its impact is felt not only on biodiversity, but also on the economy and conservation efforts. Prevention and regulation of the exotic pet trade are essential to prevent new invasions. It is crucial that stricter policies are implemented, and public awareness about the risks associated with the introduction of non-native species is promoted. The tiger mosquito and its global threat. This invasive insect, known for its black and white stripes, carries diseases like dengue fever, Zika, and chikungunya. These diseases can cause many problems, from fever and muscle aches to serious health issues that can be life-threatening. Originally from Southeast Asia, it has spread to every continent except Antarctica. Its quick spread is because people travel more and there's more global trade, which lets it move to new areas fast. It can live in different types of weather, and it reproduces quickly, making it one of the most successful invasive species. Scientists are always studying its habits and life cycle to find ways to control it. Unlike other mosquitoes, the tiger mosquito bites all day long, making it easier to spread disease. This makes it especially dangerous in cities with lots of people, where everyone is at risk of getting bitten. Dengue, Zika, and chikungunya can cause serious problems like internal bleeding and birth defects. These diseases not only make people sick, but they can also cause big problems for hospitals and doctors. The tiger mosquito's spread is linked to things like international trade, travel, and climate change. A warmer world makes it easier for them to live and reproduce in places that used to be too cold. To control them, people get rid of places where mosquitoes can lay eggs, and they use bug spray. Communities also help by keeping things clean and getting rid of standing water where mosquitoes breed. Scientists are also working on vaccines and new ways to control mosquitoes. Scientific research is important to find long-term solutions to the problem. The tiger mosquito invasion reminds us that human health and the environment are connected. Protecting nature is important to stop the spread of invasive species and the diseases they carry. As we have journeyed through the eyes of these invasive species, we have witnessed the devastating impact they can have on ecosystems and on people's lives. From the destruction of crops to the spread of diseases, the consequences of biological invasions are far-reaching and require our urgent attention. The good news is that we are not helpless against this threat. Conservation efforts, scientific research, and citizen action are essential to combat invasive species and protect our planet's biodiversity. It's time for all of us to take responsibility for protecting our planet. By understanding the causes and consequences of biological invasions, by making responsible decisions, and by supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. The future of our planet is in our hands. The solution is in our hands. Share and take action.